Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Hotel Secrets Unlocked, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of travel. Today, we're sharing 10 of the most brilliant hotel hacks that will transform your next trip, turning a simple stay into a truly unforgettable experience. If you want to become a travel pro and never get caught off guard again, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. You'll be the first to know about our latest hotel tips and tricks. We've put together a list of savvy tips to help you avoid common travel pitfalls and ensure your stay is as comfortable, safe, and hygienic as possible. 10. The Smart Traveler's Charging Kit. We've all been there. You get to your hotel room only to find a single outlet behind a massive, unmovable bed. Instead of struggling to reach it, come prepared. Pack a small power strip and an extra long charging cable. This simple addition will give you the freedom to charge your devices anywhere in the room. Pro tip, bring an HDMI cable to connect your laptop to the TV. Say goodbye to boring in-room entertainment and stream your favorite content. 9. Keep unwanted visitors out. Privacy is key when you're away from home. While a simple lock on the door is a start, it's not a guarantee. Housekeeping staff often have master keys and can walk in at any time. For true peace of mind, always hang the "Do Not Disturb" sign on your door. For an extra layer of security, use the safety latch or chain lock from the inside. This ensures that no one can enter your room unexpectedly, giving you complete privacy. 8. The bedding inspection. The bedding might look pristine, but not everything in a hotel room is as clean as it seems. Before you even unpack, do a quick inspection for bed bugs. Pull back the sheets and check the seams and corners of the mattress. A key hotel tip is to never place your luggage on the bed. Use the luggage rack or a clean surface instead. Remember, while sheets are typically washed, things like comforters and decorative pillows often are not, so it's best to keep your distance. 7. Avoid these common items. Hotel rooms usually come equipped with drinking glasses and an ice bucket. But hold on before you use them. These items are rarely sanitized between guests. They are often just quickly rinsed out. Instead, bring your own reusable water bottle or use disposable cups. The TV remote is another item that is used by everyone and cleaned by no one. Always wipe it down with a sanitizing wipe before you use it. 6. Don't pay for overpriced laundry. Hotels offer many convenient services, but their laundry service is a huge ripoff. The price of washing a single shirt can often cost more than an entire load at a local laundromat. Save yourself a ton of money by finding a nearby laundromat with a quick search, or even better, pack enough clothes so you don't need to wash them at all. This simple money-saving trick is one of the best hotel hacks. 5. Know what you're actually getting. Don't be fooled by the beautiful photos on booking websites. Hotels almost always feature their best-looking room. The one you end up with might be different. Always read the fine print in the description. If something is important to you, like a balcony or a specific view, call the hotel directly to confirm. If your room doesn't match the description when you arrive, you have the right to ask for a different one. 4. Add a personal touch. Hotel rooms can often feel impersonal and sterile. The solution: bring a few small items that make the space feel like home. A scented candle can instantly create a cozy atmosphere and cover up any stale smells. Pack your own slippers or flip-flops for comfort and hygiene. Having your own toiletries and a small framed photo of loved ones can make the room feel much more inviting. 3. A little tipping goes a long way. A small tip can make a big difference. Giving a few dollars to housekeeping each morning can ensure your room is spotless and that you get extra towels or toiletries without having to ask. A small tip for the concierge can turn them into your best ally, securing a great restaurant reservation or getting you a table at a popular bar. A little gratitude goes a long way in getting better service. 2. Don't hesitate to ask. Beyond the standard shampoo and soap, many hotels have a hidden stash of free items. If you forgot your toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, or comb, just ask at the front desk. Hotels are happy to provide these small complimentary items to make your stay better and earn your repeat business. They often have other items available for loan, like umbrellas, phone chargers, or adapters, so don't be afraid to ask. 1. Brand loyalty is priceless. Booking sites are great for finding a low price, but that price is for everyone. When you are a member of a hotel's loyalty program, you are treated like a VIP. This is one of the best hotel tips you can get. Perks often include room upgrades, complimentary meals, surprise gift baskets, and even late checkout. Find a brand you like, sign up for their loyalty program, and book directly. It's the easiest way to get the royal treatment every time you travel.